Hi, and welcome to Visual Art Photography. I'm Ray Scott. As you can see from this image in back of me, things are a little slow this year around the neighborhood, but this is an incredible snowman that this gentleman has made. He's had a little extra time on his hands, I guess, and look at it. It's as high as his house. One of the coolest things I've seen this winter around here. Anyway, I just wanted to put that back there. I wanted to share that with you. Things going on this winter, a little bit different. But today, we're looking at snow formations. Now, we're not looking at man-made formations like that, or even these other images that you're seeing in back of me now, which are beautiful, you know, snow-covered boughs of trees, that sort of thing. Kind of formations, I suppose, you could say, but that's not what we're concentrating on. What we're concentrating on are natural formations that occur in snow, just snow. And what you can see there and do with them, it can be incredible. First up, something I like to call snow cotton balls. This is what happened.
Okay, I'm cheating a little bit. I mentioned that we weren't talking about snow on trees and things like that, but I have to show you this because I was walking along on this very, very cold day, and my eye caught something that I haven't seen in a long, long time. Now, if your attention can go to the right, there are some branches there that have like balls of snow. Now, what had happened was we had had some really, really sticky snow, and then it got really cold and really windy, and some of the snow fell off, but some stayed on. And I call these cotton balls. It just, look at that. It just puff balls, you know, but they weren't really puffy in the sense that they weren't soft. This was kind of like hard snow, a bit icy, because it had been so wet, the snow, and it had gotten so cold so quickly, and it kind of froze them all there, and they just were sitting there. But I thought, you know, it's kind of cool, but it's a tangle. How can I sort of bring this together and make it something a little bit more than what it is? So I tried this, moving it a little closer, and also using that lighting, that afternoon lighting, to try to warm it up a little bit, sepia tones, things like that. And now it's still a bit messy, of course, but I think what I was trying to capture, I was trying to capture a feel more than anything else, as well as the cotton ball effect. And I thought, you know something? Not too bad. And that's mostly just because of the lighting there. Now, when you're doing these kinds of things, of course, you don't forget to look up, because there may be something interesting there too. Like that. Okay, I mean, really, honestly, cotton balls stuck in a tree. That's what it looks like, and there it is. So that was the cotton ball effect that I came across, and I just wanted to share that with you. It's a snow formation, right? I mean, it is a formation of sorts. Okay, onto a real formation created by wind. Now, this shot, if there had been no tree shadow coming in from the left-hand side and raking across in a diagonal fashion, a lot of the dynamic would have been lost. Now, notice the waves of snow are going in one direction, in terms of one diagonal direction, and the tree is going in another diagonal direction. So you almost have a crisscrossing effect, and that adds a lot of dynamic to the image. So without the shadow, that's fine. With the shadow, more depth, more dimension, at least in my opinion anyway. It worked for me. So you have these waves of snow, these drifts of snow caused by wind. Snow formations. Another different kind of formation, this on a creek, a frozen creek. And I think if you're anything like me, your eye mostly goes to the right-hand side where you see that round blob of snow, and you've got all these other little round, what I call negative snow things, because there actually is no snow there. I mean, those are like craters that are empty, and then you have that one blob that is actually full of snow. So it's kind of interesting. It's kind of a pattern, and another different kind of a formation, natural formation. This next one, not so natural, on a walkway as the snow melts away. This had been completely covered, and then it got kind of warm that day, and it started melting away, and it started melting away in the center of each stone, leaving the edges, as you can see, with snow, and a pattern was formed. Another kind of formation, this time on a fence, and you get that puffball effect again, right? It's like it's just like little balls of snow on the top of the fence. Now, this next formation I'm showing you is a dangerous formation. It's a snow cave on the edge of Lake Superior. And you see that incline? That's about 20 feet up. And then you get inside the cave, and it goes up about another 15 feet. So you've got about 35 feet there. And that's a lot of weight. That's a lot of snow. Enter the snow cave at your own peril. Could be really, really taking a chance going into something like that. Or it could be something as simple as a drift of snow on your roof. That's all that really was. But I was having a little bit of fun with you. And, you know, if you use your imagination, you can take something like that, because that's all that is just a drift of snow on the roof, a snowdrift on the roof of my house that looks more like this in real life, but then you create something out of your imagination and you make it into a snow cave on Lake Superior or something like that, whatever. It can be a lot of fun. And then it could also be just something that maybe a surfer would want to get on, you know, a wave, a snow wave. Hey, listen, just having a little bit of fun with snow formations.
I hope you enjoyed that. You can see a little imagination there can go a long way, or at least go away. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how that all works out. But anyway, snow formations. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you find a lot of different snow formations where you are. It'll be a lot of fun. Give it a shot, literally. Until next time, I'm Ray Scott, reminding you, it's not what you see, it's how you see it. And I'll see you soon.